We have question 9 here. You're going to write the equation that is parallel to this one, but also has a y-intercept of -2. So first of all, to write any equation, we have to have y is equal to the slope, which is mx, plus the y-intercept of b. So you need to know what the m is. Okay, so take a look. This is the slope. Okay, this is 1/2. We want the parallel. So the parallel slope would be the same one. So m is equal to 1/2. The y-intercept here, which is -2. So we just plug it in. Y is equal to 1/2 x minus 2. There you go. Let's take a look at this one. Write the slope intercept form of an equation of the line passes through this point. Okay, so let's see. We want the slope first. We have the slope here. So we want the parallel slope. That is going to be the same. So m is equal to 2. But we do not know what the b is. That's the issue. We do not know what the b is. But we have the x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. That's what this point is. So we're going to find it. Y is equal to mx plus b. Let's solve for it. Y was 2, m was 2, x was 3 plus b. 2 times 3, it is 6. Okay, I just simplified it. Minus 6 to both sides because I'm trying to get the b alone. This cancels. 2 minus 6, which is -4, is equal to the b. That is the b value, the y-intercept. So the equation would be y is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay. The difference between 9a and 9b is that here the y-intercept was given to you. Here the y-intercept wasn't given to you. So you had to use one of your strategies to find the y-intercept.